Ayo, I have for I had $1 TV and then no first time I hear a video, but more than something like it. No, I share say I don't know. Me I don't want so. Oh, I know but menya ye video set to abe for tinta. Social media there. So when you say $1 TV, any chrome. I send me agent to how social media higher up and over to me. And who no. It's never more than say me I don't want so I decode or me so. Send a bear the video to I want to be to me who be. Now make I will say Esther Spice she to an as I say. She to the power Ghana had ye. Aha, you see she to be the uncle. Kulani beko school to pay more mona if I show my bag no kwa or my assess for make I will say Lost Sea Foundation Club. Almost so as I see pa. Oti club no say ye cool. E cool over to me adwen. Say a orphanage. Say a ye juma bi na wo ye anase visitation bi open nipa bi maka ho dia. Ene from na mo nka ho no mo nye na enye fe. Ai, em so for e papa smith. Ene de me simetu bata. Ai madu ka so ampetemo. Na ye we difo bi wo ho no difo no. Ye ka yuta. Omo mkra yutu no e wo ka so ha. No onu no di mu ekoten. Ai, ye fe the prophets ni amasa kote. Oyen krani there, oyen krani by way oyen krani. Ente no. No, I dear friend football there. Mrs. Softway, Miss Mama freestyle be achirable. Now freestyle no by be achirable pacho. O comment session ho. Because our Kaswa Brigade. I was a Tuna Road no so. Holy Ghost Experience Chapel. Almost for pompa, so founder and leader no. Me say ne baby be ama we no. Enti jibre na ji akonya na hweye. Osafo emu akwa ba.
Ja.
Osafo
maswes.
Na bobo e dia we say de wo de
enya easy o.
Who support ya
ya fakra wi, ya fakra Ghana fa. Oh, yebeji. Ada na wo sura de say yebeji.
Osafo
na say ye share one. Enti 1-1 de musa.
1-1 na.
1-1 na e di ko.
Average na.
Osafo yebeji. One goal project ebeji.
Osafo
ya fair.
Oso 1-1 na ebeji. Osafo na endra no na ball na ekoso no. Before ball na be koso no. What was your prediction like?
Oh, media na minim say Ghana be win against Panama de. Minim say na be di na minim say ye win. He ebra ball na ekoso na akakra be ye be win. Nyame ka chem say Ghana be she one. Seriously, nyame ka chem say Ghana be she one ntimi nkama komanto yi. Enti goal ni buy no. Enra akrapo ye asole no. I was able to predict say nipa na obehye goal ni name start to see. Enra me ya sorry Wednesday numere upa
you can before Ghana how?
Yeah, me ka chem say nipa na obehye start for the day name ni start to see. Yeah. Me ka chem obi say.
But no so for wo dey predict say how fan to social media.
Oh, there be ehun ya na ehun ya.
I didn't know so for ehun ya. Na just say o predict ya.
Enye bibia na dey to social media.
Okay.
Because at the end wo can say we to social media say be say nti wo say you bo humpae.
You bo humpae.
Nti me who say Ghana was going to win. Nti ye game ni kwa me say Ghana be win.
Nti wo kukuo mu no wa ye hu adwuma.
Oh, nyame na ye hu adwuma. You see ball na ye ball no won say football dey nkamumba. So what you say? Nti say na Ghana be dey. Won say Ghana win, won say Chrome be aide.
Oh, be 12
yes,
you
omo ton jesse. Omo mu ton jesse won so be eto omo jesses. And jesse ni de ni bo be din o tan na be sanso. And na Ghana win o de okokro ma wonya jesse.
Wonya jesse ni minto. On be sha.
Yes, and ni je ba no omo ton nsusu nyame adom omo tumi didwa come on. So what you say?
But also my observe be say Ghana for your jubilation pa.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Definitely.
Anna the be say ba Ghana for omo ye mane ye fe.
Yeah, omo ye mane ye fe because na we give na about almost 12 something. But na meti abontin sa manfo jubilate na efe den so.
Also me say the be say be say. Prediction. Say ball ball so for the okọ predictable side.
Oh, it is.
Is it right?
It's part of the prophetic calling. Well, prophetic, everything that has to do with and what will happen in the future, it is part of prophetic.
Okay.
I don't condemn pastors who give prediction about football. You understand? It is a proof that God speaks to them. It's a proof that nyamini omukasa. So what they say. It say sadi follow shem kumsa na se bemo so unse nyamini na kasampa.
Okay.
Enti nyankopon die so se nyami emfa football ho. I mean, I don't understand because they are footballers are so mu de omo ho amanyami. Oko Brazil omo Brazil omo goalkeeper ye friends Alisson Becker.
Okay.
Oye nyamini papa kaka ye nyamini pa. Omo players to almost all of them Ghana team ye semenyo oye nyamini papa. Oko Man City adoku o preach ansa na mama mfo ni bobo. Nti azi na se ne ma ebobola mani kan bebia nyankopon ma wo bia wo
And to say chef football who comes to share 2-3 near the na
oh yes, it's a proof that God is speaking to the prophet. Into Oshana say Bemusana, it's a proof. So
you see for the gift, you know, it's for the edification of the ministry.
Yeah.
Then what does it have to do with football?
The gifts are many. Gifts in the dosu. Yes, but gifts in prophetic. Evangelist count, teacher count, pastor count, apostle count. So what is for the edification of the church? And for perfection of the saints. So what they say.
Okay.
That's the reason I make it was a baby and yankupo ma obi owo.
Okay.
Wow. Yeah.
Nti be baby a wo ye bia na me pese wo di nkunya wo hye nkom a come she better
to me is Sanema baby. Yeah.
Okay.
And come she to me Sanema baby. So what they say. Yeah.
Because of allegedly, and I saw a video on social media called about controversies about prophets. Omo kasafa the abattoir hono those kind of things. Bibi ba no ma she nkom all this kind of. Until now me kasafa about like predictions. Say asofo bi wo ho a omo predicti abattoir, predicting football, lotto numbers, let's add them. So are you trying to tell me, say, God is in line with those pastors?
Oh yeah, lotto number yeah, media me share comfa lotto number hunda.
Because
me humbi because I don't have interest there. Is it never be our only interest one nyankopon emfa nko. If you don't have interest in anything, so what interest in politics are? God can
make me
never be politics. You see, politics in Yamana Yaminsa woman.
Okay.
Yeah, because on mine a woman who said Yamima were bad leader, it will affect everybody.
Wow.
So I say, yeah, young cause you share the cause of Nigeria as if for I won't say it is because of I don't know, but it is because of some of these things. In the year so for politics, you won't count it. So I say, because don't forget, I'm not a prophet only. I am also a Ghanaian.
Okay.
So I say, me a Ghanaian.
I'm not a prophet.
Yeah,
only.
I'm not only a prophet. I'm a Ghanaian as well.
Okay.
So if there is anything pertaining to Ghana, I should have a say in it because I vote.
Okay.
You understand? And my vote counts. And the prophetic with politics a year juma, with football a year juma.
Okay.
With football a year juma. My main country as a mention. There was a time a group of footballers or Moko Bobo, and then they went to the altar of God and then they sowed seed in a certain church.
Okay.
It was a qualification.
Okay.
And the last 9 minutes, they were leading one, and they didn't one go to qualify. It wasn't Liberty Professional.
Okay.
And the other team had a clear chance to equalize. Omunya clear cast chance. Where obi ani pomo, ball ni fa player ni nasi. Sa ball ni kwa se me be yanko be she. Fa player ni nasi be twemu. And
not just say spiritually divine.
Because of some nyame ti omo mpaibo.
Okay.
Mpaibo bia obebo nyame tie. That's the reason the Bible say yem mpai is maye nyam mpaibo.
Okay,
you see, we shouldn't cease praying. So anytime you pray, there must be an answer. Okay. This is a footballer. You are born mpire train. You say nyame mo ache you ko win my win here. Say nyame beti in Bible. Yes.
Wow. Well, also from me be saw asem na go for twen say almost wo shi jama pa ndi no ya ba ye de won ka de aba.
Wow.
See e pese wo shi jama kakra na omuhu say osofo no ono no football man like otinyama be anyanya me preach ni keke. What you say? Osofo
me ankasa ma border.
What border?
Me ball Ecosi Liberty under 20. Groin injury na ma me jabo.
Wow.
Obi on me bia groin injury na me treat years anko. I was a very good footballer. Me feel obi a footballer.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, okay, what just ni kwa show kwa say
I'm a good footballer and I still play.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, also for maybe saw asem me ba ko bi na be say me bi saw say enkom hye ye hye kwa hye enkom ma na memuda. And how did you feel?
Oh, enkom hye no nyame nshira nyame nipa. It is not every prophecy that comes to pass.
Okay.
If you read the book of Jonah, the prophecy that Jonah gave to the people of Nineveh never came to pass. You see, prophecy,
Jonah not a prophet.
Yeah, Jonah was a minor prophet. It was a seasonal prophet, just for a season.
A season.
You understand? We have made prophet, we have a born prophet, we have seasonal prophets. All these things. So Jonah is also a prophet, but his prophecy, it was just for a season, just for a group of people, and that was the end.
Okay.
You see, say odifo share nkom o say enso ye adwuma fa ho.
Okay.
So I dey say because nkom share ade bia wo kan obi ate.
Okay.
And to say nipa no wate de ye kan na obetumi aye wo adwuma tia wo.
Okay.
And don't say elections e be obesi prophet we be win and say president we be an win no. Enye say de omo hye na enye. But at the end of the day no obi e wo upper hand into authority and nkom share no. And also bompaye because all of them are prophet and all of them they are hearing the voice of God. But nam di obeye edwuma e wo ho because prophets ye share nkom keke. O share nkom o say o ye ho edwuma.
Sa same way me koti bi wo me papa bia ewo kofoidia prophet Gabriel Chumesi papa be dia wo benyame hira. Wo ka asem bi se enkom sha obi difo bitimi hye enkom ye wo sunsum nipa fo omo me sunsum dwuma ye wo de hunu ni ane ye wo sunsum sofo what dey say enti ye se omo kra sunsum ye sunsum dwuma no eto dara ebi sunsum wo soro. And so if you are dealing with all this kind of people now, sometimes you know ayana people overshadow what your audience. But I see saying I'm a corona and yes, okay. I'm going here for another day. Also, me say bisa wasem ba ko pe. Ni edi si ha. Na asema me say me bisa no. As a man of God, should you preach your marriage on altar? And I'll call problem our we more at it is more. I will say about what I saw back.
You know, this is one of the things that we all need to learn. You don't preach your problem once you are going through.
You don't preach it on the altar.
No. You don't talk about your problems.
Okay.
When the problem is ongoing.
Okay.
You know, yeah. That is the reason we have what they call testimony.
Testimony.
So go through the problem, survive it, and use it as a testimony to encourage others. But when you are going through something, we don't talk about it.
Debbie. Say my say me ida me say me kura me say.
Debbie ehunya wa wali asem kwapo de say o de betu ja pulpit so. Because you are what we say one of the things we say it as I suffer nipa. Now once you are solving other people's problem, you know, you should be able to solve your problem. Because someone says a problem in Bruswa before the church members they bring it to you. But if it is at the beginning stage, they don't bring it. Say Bruce and son of the bro.
Yeah, bro.
But also who problem you have fathers that you can consult and talk to them.
So what father be
yeah, that is how it. So you can go to an upper hand for the person to help you solve that problem, but not necessarily preaching it on the pulpit. But there are things that when you go through, survive it, and not necessarily marriage, but there are so many things. Maybe you are going through a financial challenges or something. When you survive it, now later, now they have share a testimony.
And then they found why besides so for being also why.
Or so for being.
Or so for being also why.
A Bible policy because of our anointing. Obianya
it was so for being
so worry say wow because
like also for being
media mention this also for be also worry you know you can't adwuma na wo ye no temptations count.
Okay.
And to who deliverance and so preachers as bad. That's the reason why some of the pastors, because of their wisdom, so more to choir, they go with their wives.
Okay.
Because we are money we not so about deliverance. A man be no more so you know the pons I share and the start to so you can get connected. And then sometimes you need to a pastor you must marry. So that when you marry, when you are facing this kind of challenges or this kind of temptations, your wife is there. So please don't let us.
Where prophets ni amasakwete ana utini. Me say nsem wo ho. But the premier be said that for ministry na nkasa ni ameken ka ho nsem. Atwe na abasane say the be ya wo so no wo a wo hwe yen David ya waje bre a de bia wo hwe Dollarman TV GT no benya nsem ni bi say. Aha de just any news and interviews na aha some money. Abi bia na me social media de aha pen na benya no vivid information. Bonyi be say vivid. Trudeau said yet here. Asofo Obi say or twen wo German nti ye be say so far okay I love you sir
you Ghana we dey Ghana we show this Ghana for ta we semenyo go aye about to share go na me be say you see yeah although for we say but
So she myself I know. She Go higher, go for the gold. Challenge night time when she baby. It is properly Amasakote. Anna and they are no some Jamani got a West Match Bear 1 hour no year. Yeah, a repair break na yet me and Panet member say Ghana for almost about the best game, the number 22. Said you were kind of pretty and a bim sa pepe, so no queer radini mono. Was in young comes Biana Roberto. Who is software, and then comes a Biana over to me about outside. You may be Biana was in Nippon who I was only young Coupon Cook, written call now to me a Kodima, now come out, send a bay. I said you are dealing young Coupon or Helpuomo, and to be any mobile modiana, Yanyanesa. We are prophet ni Amasakote, Mohammed in ceremony, Abraham, Ephraim, Papa Smith, the gist master. That's the neighbor says here, Macramo, Pia.